Hello students, today we are going to discuss another poem, that is the poem of Nissim Ezekiel. The name of the poem is Very Indian Poem in Indian English. The author of this poem is Nissim Ezekiel, who is known for his Indianness, and his themes deals with the rural life and rivers, cities, and so many other things. He is known as a modern poet. Nissim Ezekiel was born in Mumbai in 1924. He belongs to Jewish family. He studied at Wilson College, Bombay, and Birkbeck College, London. He worked in journalism, advertising, and broadcasting. He became a teacher in 1961. At the time of his retirement, he was the professor and head of the Department of English at University of Bombay. Ezekiel is an eminent poet of 20th century. Though he is an art critic, the whole world recognizes him as the very Indian poet in Indian English poetry. His poetry has been an attraction to scholars all over the world. Ezekiel is the most representative poet of post-independence era. He is described as the first voyager and an able seaman on the ocean of Arabian Sea. He is also called the make-up poets of the poets. He is the lawgiver to the modern English poetry. So, his poems has written. A.K. Mehrotra, in his introductory notes to Nissim Ezekiel, remarks that often Ezekiel's poetry seems purposeless. So many critics have criticized upon the poem of Nissim Ezekiel. One of them is A.K. Mehrotra, who quotes that his poems seems purposeless. There is nothing in his poem, those are purposeless. He gives some example in his poetry show that Ezekiel is a freelance writer. There is no pressure of language. For example, at 27 or so, I met the girl who is now my wife as bride and groom. We went for what is usually called, I don't know why, a honeymoon. You arrived with sari clinching. Nissim Ezekiel is essentially a very Indian poet in English who has written poetry of an Indian sensibility. He has Indian sensibility in his poetry, so that is why he has written his collection, and he is purely Indian. He believes in Indian society, he believes in Indian culture, and he likes Indian philosophy. The present poem appeared in 1970s under the group Very Indian Poems in Indian English. So that is why, first of all, we have looked upon how his background, what he has written, what are his themes, what are his philosophy. Other things are also important, and we shall turn more in next session about his actual poetry, that is very Indian poet in English. Nissim Ezekiel is a very Indian poet writing in English. He is entirely Indian in his sensibility, his sense. He has Indian sense. Through his poetry, he has shown his awareness of Indian culture. He has shown the awareness of Indian culture, the social milieu, the follies and problems of Indians. So he has brought so many things around his works. So that is why the present poem is an attack on the system, and his personal opinions are also important in this poetry. So we shall stop here. We shall read other thing in next chapter session.